I like the windows stay dirty.
You like the windows to stay dirty?
Yeah. Funny, right?
Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Insights Outside. I'm Eliza from Home and Decor, and today we'll be asking people on the streets, what household chore do you hate the most? Personally, I hate all of them, but let's find out what others think about it. Which household chore do you hate the most?
Washing the toilet.
Ironing. General cleaning. Dishes.
I do like washing the toilet. You might find stuff that you want to avoid.
Ironing.
Wash dishes.
I hate folding the clothes.
And I hate washing my fish tank.
Mopping the floor.
Washing the dishes. Washing the dishes.
I hate ironing.
Clean the window.
Okay, why?
Because I like the windows stay dirty.
You like the windows to stay dirty?
Yeah. Funny, right? Because
why?
Because I don't like to get seen by people.
I have a tip for you though, it's called curtains.
Yeah.
Which household chore do you don't mind doing?
Clean toilet,
What? Why? Most
Yeah.
people hate that.
because I don't have to go to gym and just clean up the toilet will make me sweat.
Washing the dishes. Vacuuming.
Gardening.
Oh, okay.
Give me pleasure sometimes.
Definitely mopping. I think it's so fun and it's kind of like a mini workout.
Same, I think mopping as well, but I don't treat it as a workout. Sweeping the floor.
Cleaning the toilet.
For me, it's cleaning, sweeping and mopping. I'm okay with doing that.
And you?
Me, washing the cars. I love
okay.
cars, so it's a
So it's like a
natural.
hobby to you.
Yeah.
What tips do you have for someone who hates vacuuming, but you want to let them know actually it's not too bad?
Do it often and only concentrate on one area at a time. So if you do it, say every second day, you don't have to do the whole house and it doesn't build up. So you can do it quick.
Do it once a week and preferably when there's no one at home.
Okay.
So it'll be faster and more efficient.
I think doing it by yourself means that you can just clean everything one shot and just get it done.
It's the right equipment, brushes and everything. And besides, you just have to enjoy it. And you can take shower after you clean the toilet. It's easy.
I think it's the frequency. I think if you wash more frequently, it'll be less of a job each time.
But there's no tip, I just do it.
Maybe to delegate, to spread the tasks according to what each one enjoys.
In the Philippines and in Indonesia, get the household help.
Right.
Delegate, yeah?
Yeah, that's your form of delegation. Wow guys, it seems like everybody hates to clean the dishes. Well, let me give you some tips to help with your cleaning. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Insights Outside. If you have any interesting topics for us to cover, leave down in the comments below. Don't forget to like and share this video and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. See you next time!